Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to change your Toyota Yaris pollen filter. This is a straightforward maintenance task that significantly improves the air quality inside your car, helping to reduce dust and allergens. You will need a new cabin air filter and perhaps a small flathead screwdriver, though often no tools are required. It is recommended to replace this filter every 12 to 15,000 miles, or at least once a year, to ensure optimal performance and clean air for you and your passengers. The pollen filter in your Toyota Yaris is conveniently located behind the glove box. To access it, first, open the glove box all the way. Next, you will need to gently push inward on both sides of the glove box. This action releases the retaining stops, allowing the glove box to swing down further, giving you clear access to the filter housing. Some models may also have a small dampener arm on the right side that needs to be unhooked before the glove box can fully drop. Once the glove box is out of the way, you will see a rectangular housing cover. This is where your pollen filter resides. To remove the cover, simply pinch the two small fasteners, one on each side, and pull it straight off. Now, you can slide the old, often very dirty, filter element out of its slot. Take note of its orientation. When inserting your new filter, make sure the airflow arrow on the filter points in the correct direction, usually downwards or towards the rear of the vehicle. With the new filter in place, it is time to reassemble everything. First, snap the filter housing cover back on, making sure both fasteners click securely. Then, raise the glove box, pushing in on the sides again to re-engage the retaining stops. If your Yaris has a dampener arm, reattach it now. Finally, close the glove box and turn on your car's air conditioning system. You should immediately notice improved airflow and fresher air circulating throughout the cabin, completing your maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.